Iron Slug's garage, and you might see something kind of cool behind me. Yeah, just stick around and you'll hopefully enjoy doing that solo. There's also a few updates in the video as well. Headlights, taillights are installed, they're wired. Light switch wired, all that good stuff works. The hood hinge and hood are all installed, as you can tell. You know, I didn't get around to doing the exhaust as I wanted, but you know, hopefully soon that'll get done. Yeah, I just wanted to get out real quick and get an intro for you guys and let you know what to expect in the video. And at the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you. What I got going on for the next video. Kind of impressed with myself on what I was able to get done. And if you notice what it is, hey, comment, let me know. Yeah, so just got, man, it just, I don't know about you guys, it's ripping hot in this garage. It's 96 outside and the garage has just been baking. And I know there's a rookie numbers to some of you guys, but it's ripping hot. Just keep boosting my thought here. But yeah, you know, this is your first time clicking on. This is my 1953 F100 sitting on a 2009 Crown Vic chassis. And if this is your, you know, you've been following the whole build, you know, I just appreciate all you guys for watching. And you know, if there's anything in my videos, and any suggestions, you know, to improve or anything else you want to see, or you know, whatever the case may be, yeah, feel free to let me know. You know, all the feedback is appreciated. I got a microphone because of so many of my buddies who watch the channel said they couldn't hear me. So you know, I got a microphone for you guys. But yeah, it's fucking hot in here. Holy crap. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn from my mistakes. Moment of truth, if I'm gonna blow some fuses or if I got working lights. But first, okay, let's turn the kill switch on. Okay, we got nothing's on fire yet. I have headlights and tail lights. Let's see. Got tail lights. That's great. Progress. Now to actually do the wiring good. got the headlights installed, both sides. I don't have the turn signals, but the wiring is there and ready for whenever I do happen to get some. I'm also missing the outer ring. The tape is functional, it's not there because it looks cool. I only have a couple screws that are holding it down. It's stripped out down there, so hopefully the tape adds a little bit of securement. And yeah, just ran it all the way across this bar that I added in, and then all the way back to the firewall, and then inside the cab. The front headlights are done, so now it's time to move on to the back and work on that wiring. That's going to be a little bit more difficult because I did not wire them before I threw my bed together. So, just got to get to it. Work in some tight spaces. But, good news is, it all works, so that's good. Just got to get some wiring done. Yeah, I just realized how slow I work. Good thing I time-lapse everything. Just the headlights here took me 2 hours. It's crazy. Probably got another 2 hours on the tail lights. And happy 4th of July, everyone. I know this will be posted later, but I'm just now gonna start filming. I went to start the truck, and my starter was not turning over. I was getting, the fuel pump was on, another power was on, no starter. So after all morning tracing wires, ripping everything apart again, I realized the connector that runs to the transmission, which feeds supply to your battery junction block, was not connected, and plugged it in, it started right up. So after I got all that going, I cleaned back up my engine bay, secured everything where it was before. You remember the rat's nest? Yeah, these are my unused wires, and then everything else is up behind the dash. And also, I got rid of my AutoZone ignition, and I put the 53 ignition back on, and I got it to a button start. Turn the key, push the button, the old girl fires right up. And I got my seat bolted down. Bolt. Yeah, I select the 4 bolts on the seat. That's good to go. Oh, they're loose. Just gotta tighten those up. But I'll get the seat belts in later. Let's see, so now I think I'm gonna get my exhaust going, so yeah, get my exhaust going. We'll get some exhaust work done today. Bad here, just welded it to the exhaust and bolted to the seatbelt bolt. Real quick, I noticed my camera was not recording, but I'm putting on a plate here so I can bolt my hood hinge to. So that's the plan here. kind of got it marked pretty even on both sides, to where as long as I install the hinge correctly on the hood, it should line up pretty good here. But you all know how that goes. So we'll see. Solo hood install. Well, camera overheated and it seems to be working now, so let's try to get this hood hung up. first attempt was a fail. I'll go slow for you guys. So I'm hidden here. I didn't get my latch far enough forward. It's kind of cool though. It opens up really easy. But just gonna cut it. Try it again. I haven't got the little guide pieces that go in here, so I have to finesse it a little bit to get it open. And the hood doesn't quite go as far forward as I wanted, but I don't know. I'm just gonna run with what I got and, you know, keep moving because this is okay. I'm not really gonna show this engine off. It's not a pretty engine, so. Well, that's progress to me, so that's good. Let's keep moving forward. Yeah, so I'm working on these guides here, which have the rollers, so the hood will slide into the roller and keep it guide so I can open and close it easily. That's what I'm assuming. My cheap hood flip eBay kit did not come with instructions, so pretty much just going through a miscellaneous bucket of bolts that they sent me and just trying to figure it out. Don't buy from eBay. Get stuff that works. Every dang time I paint, hand goes right over it. was my little surprise.